Today I'm going to introduce to you is how to receive payment from customer in MYOB ABSS. First of all, we go to our sales module and click receive payment and deposit to which bank account. Click the scroll down button and select which bank account you want to deposit into, just in case you got more than one bank account. After that, select the customer, which customer pay you the money. So for example, ABSS Private Limited, and ID will be check number or Xero number or pay now transactions number. So this ID field only got 8 characters. In the future, maybe we'll extend this field, but tentatively for now being is still 8 characters. So what you can do is 8 characters for check number, you is already take out your 6 characters, so called 6 digits. So you only left 2 characters that you can key in the short form for the bank. So for example, UOB, I will use UOB. You can use UO, whatever it is, optional to you. So the 6 digit of the check number, that is. If not, you can use your pay now or Xero number, which is the 8 digit behind that. Just key in like that. And the date you have to change, and amount received. Let's say I received 10,000, and this 10,000, if I fully allocation, means I just need to click amount applied at this field. Maybe for this invoice, I just need to click. They will be full allocation, which means I no need to key in anything. If I want to pay partially, for example, instead of the balance instead of 1651.86 to these transactions, this invoice, I just want to pay $500 for this invoice. So I need to key in $500. If it's partially, you have to key in. If it's full amount, which means full allocations, you just need to click. It will be automatically applied, amount applied. So remember, if it's a full amount, for example, just let me delete off everything. If let's say this 10,000, I want to 100% allocate to this transaction, I just need to click only. No need to key anything. But if I want to change to 5,000, make partial payment for this invoice, I have to key in another 5,000 for this. So you have to key for partial payment. Thank you. Hope you, after this video, you know how to record receive payment. Thank you.